How do you make sure that your self-defense moves work in real life? Well, there's a bunch of different ways you can do it. There's two different things that I really want to show within this video. The first one is what we call a pressure test. The pressure test is all we have is we have people kind of putting a lot of pressure on you, kind of bumping you around, and then from there, we do our techniques right off of that. The second thing that I want to show in this video is what we call open target acquisition. All that means is that, you know, when you think about a self-defense situation, a lot of people think, well, listen, I would do this move first and this move second, this move third. Well, you may not be able to do that move or that move followed by that move if there's not an opening. So what I always like to do is make sure that we put a drill in there where a person, like let's say a pad holder, holds a pad in a particular area. That presents where the opening is. Wherever the opening is, that's the move that we do. So within this drill that you're going to see me do in the classroom, you're going to see us kind of blending those two drills. The first thing is what we call the jostle drill. The jostle drill is where we have people surround one person with a bunch of pads. The person in the middle is going to get banged back and forth. They're going to get discombobulated a little bit. And then from there, the pad holder is going to break on up, and the person in the middle has to decide then the second part, which is our open target acquisition, where the target is, and they're going to strike each and every target. For the last person, we're going to follow on up with a full combative cycle. All that means is by the time they get around to the fourth person, they're going to see where that open target is. They're going to strike that open target and then follow up with a bunch of combative moves. So we're going to blend a whole bunch of things here. Let's go ahead and let's take it to the class. Time. Nice job. Wherever you're at, stop. Very good job. Everybody give everybody. Nice job.